Yeah. Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I have a template preview to show you guys that I came up with. Um, this is really cute. Now I did this design because my daughter wanted to use this as like a jewelry dish tray, whatever those things is called. And this is what it looks like. This is what I came up with for her in her room, because her room is black, white, turquoise, and pink and gold. Okay. Um, I will be adding, like gold glitter and everything to this, but I just wanted to show this to you guys. You can also do these, for like parties, football theme. Put the birthday girls or birthday boys picture on it, and the theme. And if you laminate the actual image, then you can go ahead and you can actually use it and serve food on it. And just wipe it off. But I think this was great, easy to make, very simple. Of course, the measurements are going to be on my Patreon page. But you guys, I'm really, really happy with this. And this is just a serving tray that I got from Dollar Tree. Now, I will tell you, I did have to search for this thing, okay? Like, my Dollar Trees only had like the oval ones or the circle ones. It took me forever to find this rectangle one. But you can also purchase some rectangle ones on Amazon. I'm not saying they're the same size. I don't know. But, if you are a person that creates templates, then you shouldn't have a problem with, getting the ones offline and making a template. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.